Let's be honest, when we think of South Indian actresses, మనకు ముందుగా గుర్తొచ్చేది కాజల్ అగర్వాల్. But is she just another beautiful actress? Or is there something deeper, something real about her that has helped her stay relevant for so many years?
మీరు 20 ఇయర్స్ అయింది వచ్చి ఇండస్ట్రీకి.
అవునండి.
Because in an industry where trends change overnight, Kajal has managed to stay consistent not just with her films but with who she is as a person. Ee roju we are not just talking about her films, we are talking about her career, her choices, her marriage and her life. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Idi na first video. I am really excited, so let's get into it. Kajal ki first movie tone success raledu. She actually began with a small role in Bollywood film Kyun Ho Gaya Na. But her real journey మన తెలుగు film industry తోనే start అయ్యింది అని we all know. And like many outsiders, it wasn't easy. She did not come from a strong film background.
Nobody from my family has ever entered the industry before. Yeah. Nobody from my family is in the film industry. So I knew that if I'm venturing into something new, something that none of us ever have experience of, I have to make a mark in it.
గొప్పగా ఇండస్ట్రీలో కనెక్షన్స్ లేరు అండ్ నో ఓవర్ నైట్ ఫేమ్. Her initial films did not make her a star immediately, but what she did differently was she stayed consistent. She kept working, improving and slowly building her space in the industry, and that consistency eventually paid off. And Kajal's breakthrough phase came with films like Chandamama, Magadhira, Darling and Mr. Perfect. Especially Magadhira. That film completely changed her career. After that, she became one of the most sought after actresses in both Telugu and Tamil cinema. She worked with some of the biggest stars like Prabhas, Mahesh Babu, Allu Arjun, Vijay. And here's something interesting that Prabhas once mentioned in an interview.
నెగిటివ్ ఏం చెప్పాలి,
అందుకే మీకు చాలా కష్టమైన పాట
సమ్టైమ్స్ కొంచెం యావరేజ్ డ్రెస్సింగ్, ఇప్పుడు వెరీ గుడ్ బట్ అప్పుడు ఓకే యావరేజ్ డ్రెస్సింగ్.
ఓకే.
He said that in the beginning, Kajal did really have an average dressing sense, but over time she improved a lot. And I think that says so much about her because it shows she was open to learning, she evolved with time, she did not try to act perfect from day one. Her journey is not about being flawless, it's about growth, and that's something people often don't notice. Now, let's talk something obvious. Kajal is very beautiful, but in an industry full of glamorous faces, why does Kajal stand out? Because her beauty feels natural and approachable. She has this calm, soft, girl next door vibe. She doesn't feel intimidating, and that's something people connect with. Not just on screen, but off screen as well. And this connection goes much deeper. Her fans don't just like her, they love her to the core. She has a very strong, loyal fan base that has stayed with her for years. People genuinely admire her acting skills, especially her emotional scenes. There is something very unique about the way she expresses emotions, the way she cries on screen. It's emotional, but at the same time, there is this cute and innocent charm to it. And even తన మూవీలో తను సిగ్గుపడే విధానం కూడా చాలా అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తారు, and that has a separate fan base. It feels very real, very effortless, and that's something you can't fake as an actor. Maybe that's why even after so many years, people still feel connected to her in the same way. Now, this is the phase in our journey that creating a lot of discussion online, and that is the change in her appearance, especially her lips. Fans started noticing that something looking different, and social media reacted a lot. Some people felt that the change did not really suit her because the Kajal people loved was always seen as simple, natural, and effortless. So when that changed, it felt different to many fans. But this also opens up a bigger conversation. In the film industry, there's a lot of pressure to look perfect, and sometimes even the most loved celebrities feel the need to change something about themselves. At the end of the day, it's our personal choice, but what this situation really shows is how much people value authenticity. Because what people loved about Kajal was never just perfection, it was her natural presence. ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో చాలా రూమర్స్ వస్తాయి అండ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ హెడ్ లైన్స్ కూడా అవుతాయి. అండ్ దెర్ వాజ్ ఆల్సో ఎ లాట్ ఆఫ్ రూమర్స్ సరౌండింగ్ కాజల్ అగర్వాల్ అండ్ ప్రభాస్. మెనీ ఫ్యాన్స్ బిలీవ్ దట్ దే వర్ డేటింగ్ వెరీ సీరియస్లీ ఎట్ వన్ పాయింట్. There were even discussion online, including Reddit posts, suggesting that they broke up because his family did not prefer someone from the film industry. Now again, these all are unconfirmed rumors. But the reason I'm mentioning this is because it shows how invested people were in her personal life. Fans did not just watch her on screen, they followed her journey very closely. Then in October 2020, amidst a global lockdown, Kajal got married to entrepreneur Gautam Kichlu. And this was a big moment in her life because in film industry, marriage often comes with assumptions like acting vadlestunda, will she stop acting, will her career slow down, but Kajal handled this phase very gracefully. She embraced her personal life, took her time, and did not rush anything. Later, she also became a mother, which added a completely new dimension to her life. And instead of trying to balance everything perfectly for the world, she did it on her own terms. After marriage, Kajal did not disappear. She continued working, but more selectively. And that's what something we are seeing more now. Choosing quality over quantity, choosing balance over pressure. She proved that you don't have to choose between career and personal life. You can take your own time and still stay relevant. But at the same time, this phase of her career has been a bit of an emotional roller coaster for her fans. For example, in Acharya, she actually shoot for the film, including songs and important portions, but in the final cut, she was completely edited out. And what disappointed fans even more was the lack of clear communication from the team. It felt sudden, and for someone with such a strong fan base, that did not sit well. Then come Indian 2. Fans were expecting to see her again, but she wasn't there. Tim mentioned that her role would appear in Indian 3 since both films are connected. But now with Indian 3 getting postponed, that excitement has once again turned into disappointment. And this is where you really understand how strong her fan base is. Because Kajal does not just have fans, she has loyal supporters. There are actually something called Kajalism Day, where fans celebrate her mother's birthday, and honestly that's very rare.
सबसे क्रेजी फैंडम किसका देखा है?
आई थिंक काजल के लिए मैंने बहुत देखा है, काजल अग्रवाल के लिए बहुत अच्छा उनका फैंडम है, यू नो, एंड वो नेगेटिव भी नहीं है, मतलब बहुत पॉजिटिव है, ऐसे वो किसी के एंटी कुछ नहीं बोलते, वो बस काजल को सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो काजल अग्रवाल का मैंने फैंडम देखा है, बहुत अच्छा है।
It shows how emotionally connected people are to her. But despite all these ups and downs, she made a strong comeback with Satyabhama. And for her fans, that felt like a moment of relief. A reminder that she is still here and still capable of owning the screen. And maybe that's what makes her journey so real. It's not perfect, but it's consistent, emotional, and deeply connected to her audience. And before we end this video, I want to talk about something that truly defines Kajal Agarwal. Not her film, not just her beauty, but her real life personality and style. Because if you observe her closely, you'll notice something very different. Kajal is not someone who tries to look new every single day. In fact, she repeats. Yes, she actually repeats her bags and shoes. You will often see her carrying her Gucci bag, not switching them constantly like most celebrities. And one of the most interesting things, she has these silver Onitsuka Tiger shoes, which she wears again and again. Now think about that for a second. In a world where celebrities are constantly showcasing new luxury items, wearing something once and then never touching it again, Kajal does the opposite. She actually uses what she owns. She invests in something once and carries it again and again without hesitation. And that sends a very subtle but powerful message. That style is not about excess. It's about comfort, it's about confidence, and it's about being real. And in a way, she is not promoting fast fashion culture. She is not performing the idea of buying things worth lakhs just to wear them once and keep them in a cupboard. Instead, she shows that you can own something valuable and still use it repeatedly, responsibly. No necessary consumption, no wardrobe filled with things you don't even use. And when someone like Kajal Agarwal does that, people notice, and slowly people start thinking the same way, because influence is not always loud. Sometimes it's in the quiet choices. So when you look at Kajal Agarwal today, you are not just looking at an actress. You are looking at someone who stayed simple in a world that constantly pushes you to be extra, and sometimes that simplicity is what makes someone truly stand out. If you like this video, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and since this is my first video, your support would mean a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.